Databricks. It is a unified analytics and AI platform built on top of Apache Spark that allows teams to process massive datasets, build machine learning models, and manage data flows all in one place. It provides a collaborative environment where data engineers, data scientists, and analysts can work together using notebooks, SQL, Python, R, or Scala without switching tools. Databricks automates data ingestion, transformation, and model training using scalable cloud infrastructure, making it ideal for big data and AI projects. Its Lakehouse architecture combines the reliability of data warehouses with the flexibility of data lakes, allowing both structured and unstructured data to be stored and analyzed efficiently. In short, Databricks bridges the gap between data engineering, analytics, and AI, turning raw data into real business intelligence and machine learning insights. Thank you.